mayonnaise, mayonnaise, mayonnaise. Which one is it? Stick around. I'll teach you the right way to say it in just 2 minutes. Okay, let's be honest. Most people say mayonnaise. Some even say mayonnaise. But guess what? Both are wrong. Here's how you actually pronounce it. The correct way is mayonnaise. Let's break it down. May, like the month. O, quick, soft, O sound. Nazy rhymes with days. Now say it with me. Mayonnaise. One more time. Mayonnaise. Perfect. Here's a trick. Imagine you're saying may plus e plus naise. Now, think of a sandwich. You don't say pass the mayonnaise, right? It's pass the mayonnaise. Got it? Drop a sandwich in the comments if you did. Want me to tackle more tricky words? Smash that like button so I know, and subscribe. We're fixing confusing English words every week. Next up, Worcestershire. Yeah, that one's a nightmare. See you next time.